Welcome. In front of me is a OnePlus Nord CE 5G, and today I will show you how you can boot the device into recovery mode. Now, to get started, we'll need to hold the power key in order to shut off the device. Select power off and wait for the device to turn off. Now, once that has happened, you want to hold power key and volume down at the same time. So let's do it right now. And once you see the OnePlus logo, let go of the power key, but keep holding volume down. And as you can see, there's our language selection right here, so I'm gonna simply click on English, and from here we have a couple options. We have wipe data and cache, we have advanced and exit. Now under advanced, we have a reboot to fast boot mode, a reboot to recovery, which we're technically in recovery, so it doesn't take us anywhere, and just a version number. And under wipe data and cache, we have obviously cache wipe and the erase everything option. And then reset system settings as well. And obviously you navigate by simply tapping on each option, as I am right now. And once you're done and you want to leave this, I believe we can, oh never mind, we can't go back, so we just select, we select exit, and here we have power off or reboot. I'll be sticking with reboot just so it boots me back up into Android. And as you can see, we're now back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.